What's going on, y'all? Check it out today. I wanted me some fried chicken, some buttermilk fried chicken to be exact. But anyway, let's get it. So we're gonna start off with our seasoned chicken with salt and pepper. And we're gonna soak it in that buttermilk for about 4 hours, y'all. About 4 hours. At least overnight is better. So after our 4 hours pass, we're gonna go ahead and get our flour ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little Cajun seasoning. I'm using Tony Chachery. You can use whatever you like. Then I want to add in a little bit of basil, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of sage. We're gonna go ahead and mix that in together real good. Once we get that mix, it's time to introduce that chicken into that flour. And it's gonna make it real crunchy and crispy, y'all. Oh yeah. That buttermilk just tenderizes that chicken, and it also gives you a great coating for a good crunch when you bite into that chicken, y'all. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into our fryer. Now our fryer is set at 325 degrees, and we gonna cook that until it reaches an internal temp of 165, y'all. That's what you're shooting for. Now, of course, halfway through, you should always give your chicken a check. And while you're checking it, you might as well go ahead and give it a flip. After your chicken has reached that magic number of 165, it's time to get it on out that fryer, y'all. Because it's time to eat. It's time to eat. And look at that plate, y'all. Oh my goodness. Crispy, crunchy chicken. And I know you can see that crust, y'all. And I have me some mustard greens with mine and some macaroni and cheese. But anyway, let's get us a bite of this chicken. Oh my goodness, it's hot and steamy too, y'all. Hot and steamy. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it running, y'all. See you.